Today is April 9th, I think. April 9th, 2022. Been waiting for this package for a long time. Pre-ordered this back in June, and then due to supply chain issues, manufacturing issues due to COVID, things got delayed and delayed and delayed and delayed, and finally it came. It's here. I'm excited. I haven't opened it yet. I've literally just cut open the box for what you've just seen. I just cut open the box. I haven't looked inside yet. So without further ado, let's open it up and see what's going on. Okay. So, we're ready. The box. We got the bag. The Pirate Life logo on it. It's a nice little bag. Zipping it. Okay. Okay, that was just. Okay, so this is the first look. Got no mold. It's good. Feels so good to have this bag. It feels real nice. I've been waiting for a long time, and feels kind of like Christmas, even though it's April. So this is nice. Yeah. Real quick, just Nomatic has been very good about having pretty good customer service with it. I can only imagine from their point of view how strenuous this has been, having to deal with all the delays from getting the actual product produced to getting them into ports and getting them to us. So that's a tough situation, but they've been very upfront about it, and have been sending out updates for the past few months, since around like November, and those have been very helpful, and those have been things that I've just been looking forward to see what's the update. And unfortunately it just kept getting pushed back further and further, but that's okay. It's not something that I need, I just want. But yeah, so Jacob, CEO of Nomatic, has been keeping us updated, even sent out like a promo code for $30 to their website, which I happen to use to get just this little PM, let's see, Peter Mckinnon Nomatic SD card holder, which has been pretty nice. I've been using it, I've been liking it. 6 SD card slots, 2 CS cards. I don't know, I don't use the bigger ones, but the bigger cards that you could use. And then a little zipper in the back, pretty nice. I won't do a video about it, but yeah, this has been pretty helpful. Little magnet lock. That was a nice little treat to have, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna get something to go along with this because the one I had before wasn't very good. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna open the bag up for the first time. One, I already like the little zippers, little tabs on here. Got a little Pete's Pirate Life logo on there. It's the inside. Let's see. I've never done an unboxing before, so this is all new to me. But yeah, so I got 2 of these little guys, little dividers with the Pete's Pirate Life logo on them. Hopefully you can see this. Decided to do the video outside. It's a nice day. Shell is inside watching a show, so I don't want to interrupt her. Got 2 dividers. Try and put that back in. Dividers. I mean, I've already looked at a bunch of videos of what is in this, so I'm not going to go too much. We got the little attachment for making it a little bit more sturdy when you're carrying it. Nice little, let's see, I'll use my phone to get a little inside. Yeah, got a little fly the flag in there. It's a nice little touch. Some SD card slot stuff that I probably won't use because they had that. Got the slots here. I would test it out, but my camera is being used right now, so can't really test out how that'll fit. Hoping I could fit, if anything, this will just be for vlogging, and I can have all my stuff in here and maybe throw my drone in here too. Yeah, we'll see. Tag on it, 8 liter, life on the move, got all the more stuffy stuff. I'll strap on the bottom for a tripod. I just got using it right now. The PGY Tech Mantis Pod Pro. And then got the Pete's Pirate Life pad on the back. Nice little grip. I like it's a little elasticy, not too much. Nice and padded. Already getting it dirty. Nice. It's all good. Okay. So initially, let's just see how it feels. Like, I like it right here. Obviously, I can adjust the strap a little bit more if I want to. Well, let's see. Okay, so we got this little guy right here, little drawstring. That's easy. So if I want to open it up, got the gaskets. I could do a full review later if anyone watches this and wants me to do a review. I can go into it more. Wind's picking up right now. That's fun. Let's see. Yeah, I like this so far. I'm excited. It's something that's convenient because I have just a backpack that's more for traveling. That is my everyday, but sometimes I don't want to carry that whole thing around. So this is a little bit more convenient, especially if I just want to go on like a bike ride or something, and then just have this with me, throw it around. That already feels comfortable, like so. Let's see. Yeah, this is nice. It feels good, feels sturdy, feels like I didn't waste my money. Yeah, little finishing touches, it's cool. I'm stoked, I'm happy. Been waiting for this for a long time. And I look forward to using it and actually getting after it. Probably gonna use it this weekend for an event I have to shoot, so yeah, I'm excited. Yeah, let me know if you want me to do a deeper review or give an update once I use it a little bit more and see how it feels. Yeah, bye.